named Crew.
The big gang lord?
Yeah, big is right. We were Crew's muscle in Haven City, but old Tub of Butter kicked the bucket. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah! Slowly the racers circles. The smell of fear hung in the air. And the smell of something else, too. I told Jack, lose the suckers!
Sounds like this city's terribly dangerous. Maybe we should get law enforcement to crack down.
Yeah, well, this place don't scare us. No nasty gang is gonna get us to turn tail and run.
Sounds like they had you dead to rights. How did you survive?
Himself, but with my help, we took them all out until only one was left.
Really? You know, people in this town have a way of getting in over their heads.
Another race through the bush. The jungle here can get tight, so watch your lines.
Next time you and your thugs want to